There's a special kind of magic that comes with traveling solo as a woman. The freedom, the empowerment, the thrill of exploring the world on your own terms. But let's be real, it takes a bit of courage and a lot of preparation to make it unforgettable for all the right reasons. Stepping off the plane in a new country solo is exhilarating, but preparation is everything. Safety starts with confidence. Before you even leave, research your destination, local customs, transportation, areas to avoid, and emergency contacts. Apps like Google Maps offline mode, and trusted safety tools like GeoSure or TripWhistle, can give you peace of mind wherever you land. Packing light is your best ally. Choose versatile, comfortable clothes that fit the culture and climate. A crossbody anti-theft bag, a hidden money belt, and RFID blocking travel wallet help protect your belongings. And never forget a portable charger, it's your lifeline to maps, calls, and quick bookings. Blending in can be your superpower. Walk with purpose, even when you're figuring things out. Avoid flashing valuables, and be cautious when sharing your travel details with strangers. Always trust your intuition. If something feels off, remove yourself from the situation. Your gut is your most reliable travel guide. Build confidence through connection. Stay in well-reviewed accommodations, especially female-friendly hostels or guest houses. Join group tours or local experiences to meet people safely. Learning a few key phrases in the local language can make a world of difference, too. Most importantly, don't let fear steal your adventure. Solo female travel isn't just possible, it's powerful. You'll return with more than photos, you'll return with stories, strength, and a deep belief in your own independence. Have you ever taken a solo trip, or are you dreaming of one soon? What would be your biggest question or tip for fellow female explorers?